Hey folks, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to make your normal user default when opening the WSL terminal in Windows. So some of the people are complaining that when they are opening the WSL terminal, the root user is default. For example, like if I go to Ubuntu terminal, you can see it's opening with root user instead of the normal user we added. So let's see how to fix this. So first of all, list down all the users in your Ubuntu system. So for that, I use this command and hit enter. So you can see these are the users in my system. So as you can see, this is the user I created when install the WSL. So check that what is the user you created when installing the WSL, and so to make that user default in your WSL, what you have to do is run this command. So in here, this Ubuntu name should be coming from the Windows apps folder. This name. So to find it, what you have to do is go this folder, user profile, app data, local, Microsoft Windows app. So I am in that folder. In case you don't see any folder, make sure to tick the hidden items on in the C drive. And when you go to the C drive, you see users, username, and app data, local, and Microsoft Windows apps. So in here, whatever the name you see here should be the name you add here. So in here, I see Ubuntu 2204. So I add that name here. Otherwise, you will get errors something like this. Ubuntu is not recognized as the name of these operatable program. So to avoid that, you have to name it like this, and you have to add the username you want to make default when opening the WSL terminal. So first I copy this command and add it here, and as previously mentioned, I need to make the Dave as the default user, so I add name Dave. So now you can see the command executed successfully. So let's open the WSL terminal again and see what's the default user. So as you can see, now it's opening the Dave as the default user when opening the terminal. So I hope this video is helpful. So make sure to subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will try to help. See you in the next video.